Hey, welcome to the Picture Book Creators channel. I'm so happy that you're here. My name is MJ and I created this channel because it's something that I really needed in the world, a community just like this. Here on the channel, I create videos that help guide picture book creators through writing, illustrating, and independently marketing your children's picture books through Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, through Amazon. And I have an array of videos here on the channel, everything from a playlist that is a free class on writing picture books that takes you through step by step, everything from choosing your target age and word count to how to get out that first messy draft, that place that no one wants to be, all the way through to the refining and editing process. As well, I inspire you to illustrate your own picture book. At this current time, I'm at the end of November 2025, and I'm going to be taking off the month of December to have a little holiday, but also to focus personally on some of my own projects. I'm just launching a picture book called Let's Sourdough. As well, I'm starting a new illustration project, and I'm going to be turning some attention to my other channel, which is focused solely on my art. So if you're interested in learning to draw or checking out my art style and process, do check the links for that other channel where I'll be spending a little bit of focus time in the upcoming months. I also want to take a moment and tell you about the resources that I have available. When you check my links on my website, you're going to find affordable downloadable printables that really help you through your process, like this fill in the blank picture book template, where essentially it helps you brainstorm and get out your whole story in a really organized way. You can plan your entire narrative picture book with this template, and I have written so many books this way. For your personal use, you can print as many times as you want. As well, I have a picture book writing exercises workbook. Now, this is for those who really want to hone in your skills and get good. Okay, so this accompanies the writing picture books free class that I have right here on YouTube. And it takes you through fun exercises that boost your storytelling. Things like how to develop a good character, a good plot and settings, and it'll help you brainstorm as well. And if you're not as interested in narrative picture book writing, you will want to check out my concept planning challenge book. This helps you go from idea to a full 32-page concept plan in 3 days. Everything that you want to know about planning out an ABC or a 1, 2, 3 book, this challenge will help you put it all together, as well as I have a pagination workflow sample in the back. And last but not least, when it comes to the downloadable printables, one of my best resources is a 1-page pagination planner that helps you pace out your whole story. And this one is a hot seller because it's so useful. And I have a host of videos here on the channel that not only show you how to use it, but show even my process in real time of how I plan out an entire storybook. So check for those pagination videos. If you've been craving one-to-one help and support from a real person who's perhaps just even one step ahead of you in the picture book creation process, you can book me for a one-on-one online session. Bring your most relevant picture book creator questions to me and we can talk about it in person. I have excellent reviews from past mentees who it's been really useful for them to get on screen and hash through some stuff and get my thoughts and suggestions that help them guide and get through their obstacles. So do check out my links below for any current openings. So that's the news and the scoop around this picture book creators community. Do the things that YouTube loves. Subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a notification, and share videos with friends. Spread the word about what we're doing here on the channel. Until next time, picture book creators, happy creating.